The Highline, from Death Avenue to Urban Oasis. The Highline Park, a vibrant green space boasting lush greenery and stunning cityscapes in New York City, wasn't always a haven for relaxation. Believe it or not, its past is steeped in danger, once earning it the chilling nickname, Death Avenue. A legacy of danger, the rise and fall of Death Avenue. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, Manhattan's meatpacking district was a bustling industrial hub. Freight trains rumbled along an elevated track, weaving between towering warehouses. This seemingly efficient system had a dark side. Pedestrians and vehicles frequently collided with trains, resulting in hundreds of tragic deaths. The constant threat earned the avenue its grim moniker, Death Avenue. Imagine navigating busy streets, dodging speeding trains, instead of strolling through a peaceful park. A vision takes root, transforming an industrial scar. By the mid-20th century, the industrial heart of the meatpacking district began to wane. The once active High Line fell into disuse, becoming an overgrown eyesore. However, a group of visionary residents saw potential in this neglected structure. In 1991, residents like Robert Hammond and Betty Cook championed the idea of converting the High Line into a public park. Their vision? To reclaim this industrial scar and create a unique green space amidst the urban jungle. From industrial relic to urban oasis, the High Line's impact. The High Line's transformation was no easy feat. Years of planning, fundraising, and meticulous construction were required. Finally, in 2009, the first section of the High Line Park opened to the public. The park's innovative design, incorporating native plants and meandering walkways along the elevated tracks, captured the hearts of New Yorkers and tourists alike. The High Line's impact extended far beyond aesthetics. The park's success spurred a wave of urban renewal in the meatpacking district. Once abandoned warehouses were transformed into trendy art galleries, upscale restaurants, and luxury apartments. A new generation of architects designed iconic buildings flanking the High Line, creating a unique architectural showcase. Imagine strolling through the park and marveling at these modern marvels juxtaposed against the repurposed industrial structures. A catalyst for change, the High Line's enduring legacy. The High Line's story serves as a powerful testament to the transformative power of urban planning. It demonstrates how neglected infrastructure can be repurposed into vibrant public spaces, fostering economic growth and community engagement. The park's success has inspired similar projects around the world. The High Line's journey, from a dangerous industrial relic to a beloved public park, is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of green spaces in revitalizing our cities. Today, it stands as a symbol of hope, a testament to what can be achieved when communities come together with a shared vision. Want to see more amazing urban architecture and transformations? Follow our blog, Architects World Blog, for in-depth articles and discussions.